Assalamu alaikum, students.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
We are fine, alhamdulillah.
I am fine, alhamdulillah. Dear students, yesterday I will tell you about the parts of body. All of you learn this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, students. I will ask you some questions about parts of body. You are ready?
Yeah.
Mom, stand up. Where is your eyes? Yes. Good. Blink your eyes. Good. And what do you do with your eyes? Good. Now, stand up. Where is your nose? Good. What do you do with your nose? Good. Samyana, stand up. Where is your ear? Good. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. Good. And what do you do with your ear? Good. Sit down. Urva, stand up. Where is your legs? Good. Sit down. Busha, stand up. Where is your shoulder? Good. Move your shoulder. Good. Sit down. Anas, stand up. Where is your teeth? Good. What is the color of teeth?
Right.
Very good. Sit down. Salam, beta, stand up. Where is your hand? Good. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. Good. What do you do with your hand? Right hand. Good. Sit down. Dua beta, stand up. Where is your tongue? Good. What do you do with your tongue? Very good. Sit down. Mom, beta, stand up. Where is your legs? Good. How many legs do you have? 2 legs. Good. What do you do with your legs? Good. Sit down.